Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys, another unboxing video. So before I get into this unboxing here, just head on down below this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to get notified when I have another upload on my channel. Alright, so today I got another exciting unboxing for you guys. I unboxed this on my channel before, so as you can see here, I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max in gold right here. Let me take off this case here so you can see. So I got the gold iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. Let me put this case back on. So what I have here is another iPhone 11 Pro Max, but this time we're gonna unbox the space gray. Alright, so let's get into it. You pop this open. So I've seen a lot of different colors online. Now with everything that's going on, you can't go to an Apple store because they're all closed, so you gotta order these online. So I got this in space gray. So this I'm gonna open for you guys. Alright, so this phone, I pretty much ordered this phone for my brother, but I'm gonna do the unboxing for the space gray 11 Pro Max for you guys if you want to see it. Alright, so I've never really seen the space gray in person before. I've seen the gold, the green, silver, and yeah, pretty much that's the only colors they have in the stores pretty much, but I've never seen the space gray on display for demos. So this is my first time pretty much seeing the space gray in person. So this is the 256 gigabytes you can see right here. So let me get into this unboxing here for you. Don't want to have you waiting too long and bore you guys. Alright, so boom, plastic's off. We're gonna put that aside and let's get into the exciting part. So as you can see here, let's open the box slowly and voila. So there you go, space gray 11 Pro Max. And I'm gonna tell you off the bat that in person this is a beautiful color. Look at that, very nice, beautiful color. I have the plastic on here. I have a screen protector already, so I could take this off, but I'm not gonna take it off as yet. Alright, so that's the look of it. That's the back and that's the front. Alright, really nice device. So the usual stuff that's here in the box, we got the papers here, we got some Apple stickers, we got the picture of the iPhone here, we got the SIM eject tool on this paper right here. As you know, it all comes in the box. Alright, so let's put that aside. We got the fast charger as usual. This is a type C to lightning, and we have the AirPods, and we have the charging cable right here. Alright, so this is a beautiful color, the space gray, and compared to the gold, they're both beautiful. As you can see here, both beautiful devices. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and power this on. That's this boot up logo right there. Just gonna go through the settings really quick. Go to the home screen. Alright, I'm not gonna do much settings on this. We're just waiting for this to boot up. Also, I'm gonna have another video coming for you guys where I'm gonna do a review. I've had this phone for almost a month now, so I'm gonna do a review on this phone, give you my experience so far and how I'm liking the phone so far. Alright, giving you my 1 month experience of this phone. So subscribe and turn on that notification bell stick around so you can see that video as soon as I post it. Alright, so I'm gonna go set it manually. I'm gonna connect to Wi-Fi real quick. Join. Alright, that's the phone. So as I said, this is my brother's phone. Just doing the unboxing here. He's gonna be pretty excited as soon as when he gets this phone, I'm telling you. Alright, so this is my phone. Let me see here. So it's activating because I bought this version. The only way you can get a phone from Apple without paying the full price upfront is if you get it through a carrier brand. It's an unlocked phone, but this is gonna be connected to T-Mobile. So here we're gonna pretty much activate the phone. Let me put this in. I don't want to have anyone see this. Gotta put in the last 4 of the social here that's on the T-Mobile account in order to activate this phone. So it's activating right now. Should have a SIM card already inside. Alright, so we're waiting for that to activate. This is probably gonna cut out my brother's phone, but he lives right next to me, so I could just have him come and get it. Alright, so we're gonna go continue. We're gonna skip all this. Skip all this for now. Alright, so we just want to get to the home screen. Alright, set it later in settings, don't use. Agree. Continue. Continue. Alright, so we're gonna update manually. We're not gonna do it right now. Alright, set up later in settings, set up later, don't share, and we're gonna continue to the home screen. We're gonna keep it in light mode for now. Alright, here we go, and boom, that's it. So we are on the home screen, and that was just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max Space Gray. As you can see here, it's a beautiful color here. It's not black, it pretty much seems like it's gray. The other iPhones that they're pretty much recalling space gray, those were they look closer to black, but this one, like, you could see that it's a different color. It's gray. Alright, and it's a beautiful color. You can see on the side here, this is gray as well. The stainless steel rings around it. Alright, so if you're thinking about getting one of these and you're pretty much not sure which color to get, and you have the space gray in mind, you can't go wrong with the space gray. It's a beautiful color. Alright, so I think that's gonna wrap it up here, guys. So thank you for watching this video. As I said, this was just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max Space Gray. As you can see, we also have the gold, and they're both beautiful color. You can't go wrong with any one of these. So thank you for watching. Remember to head on down below this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn that notification bell on so you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Alright, and thank you for watching.